Today I have a mask I actually totally forgot about because it was in the wrong place. But this red ginseng essence mask sheet. Wow! So I didn't realize that you could use ginseng in like a mask like this, because I always just see the tea, and I know it's a plant or whatever, but I know that they take a really long time to grow. So I've never actually personally seen a ginseng plant, so I don't know, I guess it just totally slipped my mind. So this is a very Korean one, okay? Like even the instructions are in Korean. They do have the English directions, but you know, it's in like 90% Korean. And this one is by Esfolio. Never heard of that brand before. I don't know, can you see that? Can you see that? That brand. I'm sure like every other mask, you know, this is normal. So right off the bat, it sort of smells like sweet dirt. It's kind of weird. Maybe that means that it's gonna be amazing. Here I am taking it out. It's very juicy. Juicy, yeah. I can't even open it, so I'm actually gonna wipe the excess already on my face, because maybe that'll make it easier. Yeah, that did help. I'm just pulling at a wet piece of paper, hoping it doesn't break. Finally got it open. Now I'm gonna put it on my face. It's a normal sheet mask. Well, it's actually a little on the thin side in comparison. Alright. Got a lot of excess, jeez. Yep, I will be back in 20 minutes, yeah. Time to take it off, yeah. And I'm rubbing in the excess. I just got done watching, well, I'm still watching a video. An old video of Jacksepticeye's house party. Because I recently watched the game Grumps play it. So I was like, you know, this is a hilarious game. I want to watch some more of it. So I rubbed in what I could rub in. Because man, like there's a layer of moisture or something on this thing. Like I just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing. And it's still like, you know, I can still go whoosh, if that makes sense. But I really like this mask. It's, you know, it's very calming, I guess. I mean, it is a little sticky, like most of these kind of masks are, but that just means my face is super moisturized. The smell is kind of like weird. Like I said, sweet dirt. Like, okay. I'm assuming that's how ginseng actually smells. I was only used to the teas, and I love ginseng tea, but it doesn't smell like dirt, so the inside of it's clearly different than the outside, I guess. Thank you for watching this video today. I think that was like one of my last masks that I had, and I just had it laying around somewhere. I was looking for it, but then I couldn't remember where it was. But now I remember it. Thank you for watching this video today. You know, I need you to click a like and subscribe. You gotta do both of those things, okay? So I'll see you next time. Bye. Subscribe.